I was able to get 3 $15 Target gift cards.
Wanna keep it real. Oh, it's something about you. I'm gonna break it down. They don't know your style. I'm gonna keep it real.
I really love this circle mirror right here. I have a black one, but I feel like this one would go a little bit better with the vibe in my new place. And it has the like wood frame on it. Like, this is so cute. So I think I'm gonna get this. And it is, let's see how much it is. It is only $59. So I think I'm gonna pick this up. You gonna see what else they have. Oh, I do need some pillows. And I need a comforter. Oh my God. I may need to take this basket up to the front and get another basket for like all my cleaning supplies and stuff like that, because we don't have no room. And I only got 2 things in here. We have no room. I really don't like this Target, especially for shopping for like stuff like this. What I may actually do is put this back and go to the Target by my house, because the Target by my house has, I actually went in there not too long ago and they had everything that I wanted as far as like the Casaluna throw that I wanted for my couch, and I'm sure that they have the bed sheets and stuff, or the bed comforter and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna put this back and we're gonna get like the necessities. Let's see. Oh, let me look at the towels, because we definitely need towels. Oh, actually they do have the Casaluna comforter that I wanted here. This is the one that I wanted. It's a knit blanket. I think I'm gonna put this in my living room. These are so cute. Like, this is just such a vibe. This is like a bathroom tray. They got a soap tray, and then whatever that is, and then a soap dispenser too. I do need all of that, but I don't know if I wanna. I don't know if I really like that like that. I just need to get some regular towels for just bathing with. I think I'm gonna do black towels. I had white in the past and it just gets so dirty so quick. So I think I'm just gonna do black. They only have one of each of these, but I wanted to do black. So I'm gonna go to another Target and get the towels, because I refuse to pay $20 for the Casaluna one, especially because it's something that I'm going to be using to bathe with. It's not decorations or anything. I actually found another brand, and these are only $7, which I think is perfect. So I'll probably pick up 3 of these. I think I like the other towels better. Like, they are blacker versus these ones. They're kind of ashy. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is just like a darker black. It has like a darker black to it. I don't know if you can really tell on camera. So I think I'm gonna get these ones instead. We're just gonna get one of these for now. Go to the Target by my house and get a few more of these, because I like the quality of these a little bit better. I really like how these look. They have like a little tint to it. So I feel like I want to get that, but they don't have the complete set. I really like the feel of these Threshold Performance sheets. So this is a queen sheet set for $55. I think I'm gonna pick this up for my bed. So it comes with 1 flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and then 2 pillowcases. I need to see if they have any like silk pillowcases, and they do. So the Casaluna has silk pillowcases, but they don't have the color that I would want, I don't think. I guess this one would match what the bed set that I have. I think I'm just gonna get one of these. It'll match that pretty good. Looks like it's the same color almost. So I do have a few things on my phone that I wanted to, that I saved, that I want to make sure that I get. I definitely wanted that Casaluna blanket, so I'm happy that I found that. And then let's see what else I needed. And then I want to get all of the cleaning supplies that I needed. So we'll need trash bags, paper towels, you know, stuff like that. I think we are done over here in the bedding section. We're gonna head over to like the cleaning supply and stuff to pick up everything that we need for the house, because I do need to clean the house. Y'all, not trash bags, $12, $13 basically. I just can't. But we do need trash bags. I think I'm gonna go with, I usually use Glad, but I mean, the way these prices are set up, I think I'm gonna have to go on down to the Target brand and get some trash bags from them because this is ridiculous. Wow. All right, I definitely need paper towels. I usually like to get the bigger size because I go through paper towels pretty fast. So I'm gonna pick up some paper towels. So I did need to get a mop, and I wanted to try out the O-Cedar mop because everybody has been raving about the O-Cedar mop. It's supposed to be like really good, I guess. So I'm gonna get one of these. So I was debating on if I wanted to get the O-Cedar mop or if I just wanted to get like the Swiffer, which is what I normally get. I said to myself, I'm like, it'll probably smell a little better if I like use the O-Cedar mop and just make my own mop water. So we'll try this out and see how it goes. Let me look at my list. I'm debating if I want to get a broom or not because I don't think I need a broom since I have the Dyson. So I don't think I'm gonna get a broom. Okay, so we're gonna head over to, I need some more cleaning supplies. Oh, this is what I wanted to get. So this disinfecting spray that I've been seeing. I like the idea of like all natural cleaning supply, but I also like the idea of having my house, you know, really clean and really sanitized. So I think I'm gonna pick this up, and this is lemongrass. Yeah, we're gonna try this out. This is a very small bottle for $4.99, but we're gonna try it out. I did want to get some wall plugins. This right here is my favorite scent. The Citrus and Daisy is my favorite scent, but I kind of want to switch it up. This is vanilla and passion fruit. I'm really not a big fan of vanilla, but let's smell this. That kind of smells good. I don't know if I smell it right. Okay, that kind of smells good, but this is bamboo and water lily bliss. I want to smell this. Nah, that ain't it. Okay, so rose and bloom. Let's try this. I kind of like that. It gives like a nice like fresh scent, rosy scent. I'm leaning more towards these ones though. This is the vanilla passion fruit, so I'm gonna get these. And I do need some plugins too. So these are $3.79. These are $3.79, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. Some dish soap. So I definitely have to get me some, where's it at? Y'all, magic erasers, I've used these for years, and when I tell you, like, they will clean anything and they will make your sink shine like no other. Like, I really love them. I think I'm just gonna get the, so you got 4 times the strength, 2 times the strength. I don't think it really matters in my opinion because I feel like all of them work. These will get your kitchen sink so shiny and also just remove anything from like the wall. I do also need to get some glass cleaner, so I'm gonna just pick up this spray away glass cleaner. Y'all, TikTok, I've seen this all over TikTok. I don't know if it makes a difference because usually I get, you know, just good old Windex, but we're gonna try this spray away. All right, definitely have to get me a scrub by me. Y'all, I've been so obsessed with these 2 and I have to have the white one. I'm gonna get 2 of these just that way I have them. I also am gonna pick up some of these Brillo pads, or not Brillo pads, but like scrubber things. We're gonna get these 2. Oh, we need stuff to clean the toilet with. So, where would that be? Okay, right here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get this cleaning bleach gel because this stuff really gets your toilet clean. So I think I'm gonna pick some of this up. Let's see. I do love putting these in the toilet too. I really love this scent, so I think I'm gonna get this one. Get this. We're gonna grab us some good old bleach. So we're gonna get that. Y'all, this cart is packed down. I'm gonna get this as well because I want to make sure that I get like around my my sink in my bathroom with this and make sure it gets really clean. So I heard this was really good. I also want to get this like scrubber because it just makes it easy to clean, especially with being pregnant. Like I want something that has like a stick to it. But I actually seen one on Amazon that's like electric powered. So I think I'm gonna get that because it's gonna like really get my tub clean. So I'm gonna order that off Amazon instead of that. But I do need, see, I had some of these in my last apartment where like you hang your broom and your mop and stuff like that. But I don't know, because when I took it off the wall last time, it like really messed up my wall. So I don't know if I want to get these. I'm gonna see about ordering some off Amazon because this is $15 versus I'm sure I can get like 3 from Amazon for much cheaper. I do want to get some cleaning gloves. I hate cleaning without anything on my hands, so I'm gonna pick these up, which will last me for a little bit. I'm also gonna pick up some disinfectant wipes just for those easy quick cleans. Let me smell this though. You know what? I'm not really a big fan of the ProX disinfectant wipes. I like the Lysol ones. Like I feel like they, I don't know, I just like them way better. So I need to find those. Oh, they don't have them at this Target. That's sad. What I'm probably gonna do is just find them elsewhere because I don't really like the smell of the Clorox wipes, and then also I don't know, I just don't like them. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the cleaning supplies. I think we got everything that I wanted to get, that we needed to get. So I'm gonna head over to like the pots and pans section to see what they have. I don't know if I'm gonna get them from here or if I'm going to order them online, so we'll see. Okay, so I did want to pick up some of these like little 50-cent plastic bowls just to have, so that way when I get my actual glass plates, I'm not messing them up too bad. So I think what I'm gonna do is get like maybe 4 of these. They are 50 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna get 4 of these, and we'll get 4 plates too. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are really cute too though. I don't know. Should I do the black or should I do the white? Black or white? I think maybe I'll get, oh, these are $2 though. So maybe I will get 2 of these just to have them. And then 2 of the bowls, just so I can have options, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I did see, I think these are the bowls that I wanted to get, I believe. These are so cute. Like, how cute is that? So I wonder if these come in a set. Let's see. It does not look like it. They also have them in black, which is so cute, but I do wish that it was like, instead of a shiny black, I wish it was more of like matte black, but it's still really cute. So I don't know if I'm gonna get any bowls and stuff today. I think I may wait on that. I do need silverware, but I do want some either gold or black silverware. So these are kind of gold, but not gold enough. And then I don't see that they have any just like all black ones, so I'm probably gonna have to order that off Amazon. I do need like some kitchen towels and stuff. I might get these. These are so cute. Like, they're really good quality. I think I'm gonna pick these up. These are so cute. So we're gonna get those. And then I do need like some oven mitts. So these are really the only ones that they have. They don't really have much in here, so I think I may get these, even though I don't like the towels, but the mat is really what I need. So I think I'm just gonna get this set, and then I can just use these, like, I don't know, we're gonna put them up, but we'll still use them. So we can use them as like drying towels or something like that. And this we'll probably put like on a stove or something. So we'll get that, and then we will get those. So I got everything in the car. My car is packed down. Okay, it's packed down. I just left out of Target and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff that I needed for the new place. I'm so happy that I was able to get it done. When I tell y'all, shopping is draining, but shopping pregnant is draining on a whole nother level. When I tell y'all my feet hurt, my back hurt, I'm tired, I need something to eat. I pretty much got everything that I needed, I believe, besides a few things. But I'm so happy that I went to Target today because they were having get a $15 Target gift card when you spend $50 on cleaning supplies. And I spent well over $50 on cleaning supplies today. So I was able to get 3 $15 Target gift cards. So that means $45 to spend at Target. We love that. So I would definitely recommend downloading the Target app. And on top of that, I got 5% off because I got the red card. So y'all already know I'm a Target girl. And now that I have a Target like literally right behind my house, I'm being there even more. So yeah, these will definitely come in handy. So make sure that you guys, before you shop, especially if you're shopping big, check that Target app to see if they have any like discounts or like anything like that, because I just basically got $45 back to spend at Target. Plus I was gonna go to another Target later on today to pick up some more bedding, so that worked out perfect. But this is all for this video. Make sure that you guys stay tuned, give this video a big old thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already. But I will see y'all in the next one.